a new topic in EVS, and it is all about animals. But before starting our today's topic, let's have a small quiz.
Children, tell me, which animal lives in a kennel? Do you all know the answer? The answer is dog lives in a kennel.
Yes, children, we see different kinds of animals around us. Some in farm, some in jungle, right?
Yes, and we keep some animals with us at our home for our entertainment, and they are called pet animals. Children, today you will know more about pet animals.
And for that, ma'am is having one surprise for you all.
Let's go!
Hello, I am Bunty.
Hello, I am Bubbly.
Hey, meet my pet dog, Jojo.
Really? I am also having a pet cat, and her name is Kitty. She is very pretty, and we always enjoy playing with each other.
Even I love spending time with my pet. He is very caring and loving. He always guards my house. He is very loyal and faithful.
Hello, Bubbly. Hello, Bubbly. Hey, this parrot is calling your name. How is it possible? We have trained him so it can talk like us. It can call your name also. Grandpa, where is Grandma? She must be in our garden with a pet.
Hello kids, meet my pet, Robbie the rabbit. It is white as snow and it is a very playful and active animal. It likes to eat grass.
Bubbly, do you know I have a fish aquarium at my home, and in that we have many fish.
Yes, Bunty. Fish can also be kept as pet. Though fish is a water animal, it can be kept as a pet in a fish bowl or a fish tank in a home. Bunty, how wonderful it is, na? We can live with these animals, we can play with them, and they are known as pet animals.
Pet animals. Children, there are many kind of different animals that you can have as a pet. And today we shall learn about the most common animals that are kept as pets. Now let's get to know more about them. The first one is a cat, and its spelling is C-A-T, cat. A cat is a beautiful and clean animal. It has soft fur-like hair on its body and it likes to drink milk. Now next, this is a dog and its spelling is D-O-G, dog. A dog is a very friendly animal और उसे एक इंसान का बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी कहा जाता है. It likes to play with us और वो हमारी बात सुनता भी है और समझता भी है. It is a very faithful animal. वो बहुत ही वफादार होता है. It guards our house, यानी वो हमारे घर की रखवाली भी करता है. And it also likes to eat a bone. Now this is a fish and its spelling is F-I-S-H, fish. Kids, a fish is also a pet animal. Children, you already know that fish lives in water, so people keep fish as pets in a fish tank. You must have seen a fish tank. People also feed them with fish food. And kids, look, who is this? Yes, a parrot, and its spelling is P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Children, a parrot is also a pet animal. At home, they are kept in a cage. उसे एक पिंजरे में रखा जाता है. A parrot is an intelligent bird. It likes to eat chilies and guava, and it can also talk like us. Children, this is a rabbit, and you are learning the spelling of rabbit for the first time, so we will split and learn. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. One more time. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. A rabbit is the cutest pet animal. It is very small and it has 2 long ears and a short tail. It has soft fur on its body. A rabbit likes to eat grass and vegetables. और वो बहुत ही kind और active animal है. It can run fast. Kids, as all these pet animals are kept at home, they are also treated like a family member. They like it when we pat them gently. उन्हें बहुत अच्छा लगता है अगर हम उनको प्यार से सहलाते हैं. They need lots of love and care just as we do. One more thing, not everybody has a pet. यानी सबके पास पेट होते हैं घर पे, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. Because owning a pet comes with lot of responsibilities. यानी उनको खुश रखने के लिए और उनको सेफ रखने के लिए हमें उनका बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. Understood, kids?
Children, today we are going to learn something new from our EVS book. And for that, we have to open the page number 4444. Children, we can see different kinds of animals around us. Now, let's read about animals. Animals are living things. Animals सजीव वस्तुएं होते हैं, right? Animals are of different types. Animals अलग अलग तरह के होते हैं. Some animals walk on land. थोड़े animals होते हैं जो जमीन पर चलते हैं, like a dog or cow. They walk on land. And next is some animals swim. Swim यानी कि तैरना, like a fish. Yes, it lives in water and it swims in water. And a water bird. Yes, it's a duck. It swims in water. Next is some animals fly. Fly यानी कि उड़ना, जैसे कि a sparrow or butterfly. They can fly in the air, right? Children, today we have learned about pet animals. So let's read. Pet animals live with us. Pet animals हमारे साथ रहते हैं. We love pet animals. हम अपने pet animals से बहुत प्यार करते हैं और उसकी केयर भी लेते हैं. We play with our pet animals. हम लोग अपने pet animals के साथ खेल सकते हैं. So let's read about the pictures. Yes, what is this? It's a fish. So it's a pet animal. We can keep it as pet in a fish pot. And here a dog. It is a pet animal. And here a rabbit. Next one is a cat. And the last one is the green color bird, a parrot. And now children, let's do some exercises related to this topic. Let's start. Play-way exercises. Number 1. Take the pet animals. Okay, let's find out. The first picture is a horse. Is it a pet animal? ये हमारे साथ रख सकते हैं? No. So it's not a pet animal. Next one is a deer. Yes, it lives in jungle. It's not a pet animal. Next one is a parrot. Yes, we can keep it as a pet in a cage. So it's a pet animal. So we'll put a tick on that. And now children, from rest of the pictures you have to find out which one is the pet animal on your own. Now next, number 2, draw and color any one pet animal and name it. Here you have to draw any pet animal. Ma'am has drawn this fish in a fish pot, but you can draw any and you have to give the name for it. I have given the name Rani, R-A-N-I, Rani. Children, let's do one more exercise from another page. Play-way exercises. Number 1. Take the animals which walk on land. जो animal जमीन पर चलते हैं. So you have to find out the animal which walk on land. Okay? So which one is the first picture? Yes, it's a pigeon. It's a bird. It flies in the air. In this way, you have to complete the exercise and find out the animal which walk on land. Now let's go to the next question. Number 2. Cross the animals which fly. Means जो animals उड़ते हैं. Okay, let's find out. The first picture is a butterfly. Okay, it flies in the air. Yes, so we will put a cross on it.
And children, see the other pictures and find out the animals which flies in the air. And in this way you have to complete all the exercises.
Now we'll complete our notebook part. So first we will give the heading pet animals. The first pet animal we have learned cat. C-A-T, cat. You have to write spelling 5 times. Now this side we will draw the picture of cat. So we'll draw cat here. Then the next spelling D-O-G, dog. Write 5 times. Now let's draw the picture of dog. Then the next pet animal we have learned fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Write 5 times. With water. Then the next pet animal parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Write 5 times. How to draw a parrot? Slanting line and beak curve like this. Then a small curve, eyes and a beak. Yes, parrot's beak is of hook shape. So it is also called as hooked bill. So this is our parrot. Then we'll make legs. Yes. Then rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Write 5 times. How to draw rabbit? One big curve and 2 curves both the sides and join it with slipping line, curve, slipping line. Eyes, nose. Then rabbit has 2 big ears like this. Okay? Then we will make tail, furry tail. Yes, rabbit has furry tail, curved tail like this. Then legs. Okay. Kids, one thing we have missed. Yes, rabbit has 2 big teeth like this. उसके दांत होते हैं ना इस तरह से आगे. So this is our rabbit. Now what you have to do? You have to write all the pet animals one more time. Okay kids, do practice. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.